the other company washed was over here next to the gazebo. I'm going to do a test patch over here on this section right here. Okay, so here is a section of mine that was already broken, but you can see that there's only very tiny feathering going on here, not those really big splinters coming off anywhere. Even here where the wood is bad, where it was broken, I still didn't splinter it all off. It's still all together, but it's clean. A little bit more feathering on this piece than this piece, but most of them are pretty good. This whole panel is done without creating tons of splinters.
And if you're thinking of doing it yourself,
just as a side note, see all this around here? It's not like it's not nice, neat grass. This ends up being a very filthy job.
pressure washing a wood fence is not as easy as it looks, and it's a dirty job too. Save yourself the time and aggravation of getting your wood fence torn up. Give us a call and get it done right the first time.